How to load tape in the camera. The first thing you need to do is push open the open eject button and pull open the tray. This will automatically open. So you take your tape, insert it, push that close, and it'll automatically shut. And then you close the tray. Once the tape is inserted, you open the LCD screen and turn the button. Press the green button and turn it on. In order to operate the tripod, the first thing you need to do is establish your height. You do this by adjusting the legs. Once adjusted, you pop off the top part and screw this onto the camera. Once the camera is placed on here, insert this piece back in and snap back into place. One of the first shots is an over-the-shoulder shot. Another shot that you can do is a close-up shot. The third shot that you can do is a panning shot where you pan across the whole room. To connect the camera to the computer, you plug in the HDMI cord here. After plugging in the HDMI cord, take the USB port and plug it in there. You go down to your tab bar and Final Cut Pro will be at the bottom. You now have it open. If it's not on the tab bar, you can go to the Finder, click in the Applications, and you can find Final Cut Pro on there. To close a project that you have open currently, go to File, and there'll be a tab that says Close Project. It'll ask you to save it, and you always want to save. When you need to start a new project, click on File, and there'll be a tab that says New Project. You now have a new project ready. When logging and capturing, you need to make sure your camera is on and is plugged into the correct ports. Once the camera is connected, then you need to go to the computer screen. From there, you click on File and go to Log and Capture. When logging and capturing, you need to make sure that you capture each scene individually due to the sound alignment. This is your basic setup of Final Cut Pro. You have your whole interface here. Clips, when you log in captured clips, they will go up here into the box where you have all the different how to view your clips in the viewer. They'll be in here, or if you double click them, then they'll show up in this box here. In order to set in and out points in your viewer while you're watching it, you click I for in and then O for out, and that will keep repeating the points. After doing that, when you're ready to insert it in the timeline, you click up to the top here, you drag it down, and it inserts it automatically. When you're finished with your project, you click on File, Save Project As. Depending on what project you're working on is what you want to title it. When you're finished, you click Save. After you've saved your project, you want to export it using QuickTime Conversion. Click on File and go to Export, and there will be a QuickTime Conversion tab. Here, you want to go to Options. After clicking on Options, you want to click on Settings. You want to change it to the MPEG 4 video. After that, you want to change the quality to Best and click OK. Click OK on this tab as well, and then click Save.